How to fix Redmi Note 13 QR code scanner not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then you can see the option manage apps. Now click on it and then search here camera. Now click on camera. First of all, force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then click on force stop OK. After force stop your camera, then click on storage. Now here you can clear your camera data. Now click on cache and here you can clear your cache memory. After that, go back and then click on system app settings. Now here you can see the option camera. Now click on it. On top you can see the option smart suggestions. Now click on it. And here you can turn on or off your QR code scanner. After turning on or off this button, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on About Phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.